Here are two straight lines meeting at a point. We call this a right angle because a square will fit exactly into the corner without leaving any gaps. The walls of a room are built at right angles to the floor. A page of a book normally has a right angle at each corner. This plus sign shows 4 right angles at these places. Now, a small square is normally placed in the corner of an angle to show that it's a right angle, like this. And another way of saying that two lines are at right angles to each other is to say that they are perpendicular. For example, the wall is perpendicular to the floor. Now, the minute hand of a clock makes a complete turn in 1 hour. So, in 15 minutes, that's a quarter of an hour, it completes a quarter of a turn, and this is the same as a turn of one right angle. That's why there are 4 right angles in a complete turn. Remember, an angle measures the amount of turn here. One right turn, one right angle, or a quarter of a turn. Here we have 2 right angles or a half of a turn. Then here we have 3 right angles or 3 quarters of a turn, and here we have 4 right angles or a complete turn. Now, an angle that is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle, like this one. Obtuse angle is the one that is between 1 and 2 right angles, that is called obtuse angle. And then these are reflex angles. An angle between 2 and 4 right angles is called a reflex angle. So these two are reflex angles. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.